Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily change the brightness on your Garmin inReach Mini 2. So first, what you guys need to do is click OK and then go to settings. Here, select the system and now go to backlight. Here you have the brightness and you can change it by going with these arrows, just like down or up depending on the preference. And if you want to save it, simply click OK, and as you guys can see, now the brightness is at 50 and now it's at 100. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.